Oh.
Yes, welcome to my Tower of Light. Everyone is welcome to share this magic kingdom. Squirrels, black mold, worms, poison ivy, tiny manticore.
Help me, you coward!
Magic Man, what is your deal for real?
You tell me.
Well, for one, I think this house is a reflection of your sick brain. Look at this. Yuck. Who's this you're standing with in this picture?
Memories drift in and out of my mind, and the little people get left behind. So whatever.
All right. Well, I'm gonna keep digging through this stuff till I find what you're talking about.
It's downstairs.
Huh? What?
My special thing. Whoa! Ah!
Holy crapes.
Ta-da! Come on! That's the thing. My special thing. A Martian transporter.
This can take me to Mars?
Yeah, my brothers gave it to me when they banished me to Earth. They thought I'd learn love and use it to go back home.
How do I do it?
You put your hands on those thingies and think stuff about people. But it's broken. Hasn't worked in 200 years.
But it has to work. It has to. For Jake.
Huh?
Whoa!
Citizens of Mars, King of Mars. Today, the most notorious fiend in Martian history stands before us.